Hi, Testing Gil here. I'm getting this all the time. What? Do I need to change my code just for testing? And it's really starting to get on my nerves. Let's analyze the situation. Calmly, no violence involved. You have code you don't trust. That's why you want to write tests for it. If you trusted it, we wouldn't be having this conversation. So you want to test it, that makes sense. Untested suspicious code. So you want to test it, that makes sense. Now you say, to test it, we'll need to expose this, move bit of code around, and only the test would use these changes. And you write the test. Now you have proof your code works. Tested, working code. And you're not happy about it? Let me explain something. We change code because ultimately that's our product. Not the text file, not the tests, the actual bits that run and solve customer problems. You took your code from not sure if it works to I know it works, and you think you changed it just for the tests? No, it's not for the test. It's not even for me. It's for your customers to be happy, so you can sleep better at night and not get alarming support phone calls. So should you change your code for your tests? No. You change it so you and everybody else know it works.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for the support, and remember, live long and test.